Promostar. Not just simple plant manufacturers, but partners, always by your side. Our target: producers and transformers of wire for reinforced concrete, hot and cold rolled steel wire producers and transformers for industrial applications. Promostar is technology and innovation, continuous improvement, automation, flexibility, speed of response and intervention, customized design and technical consultancy, accurate supply of technical documentation for the design, installation, and maintenance of machinery, highly qualified staff to support all your operational activities.
Audio Jungle.
Promostar, a wide range of machines and accessories to increase your productivity.
Audio Jungle.
Plants and machinery. Cold rolling lines for the production of wire for reinforced concrete. Straightening and rewinding lines for the production of highly ductile reinforced concrete wire. Multipass wire drawing lines for smooth wires. Special lines, fence net, special net, and lattice for prefabrication, spacers and net for tunnels. Automatic or semi-automatic packaging systems with reels and coils. The accessories: drawing boxes, rolling boxes, coils. Promostar. Always with you, from the supply of turnkey lines to the small accessory, removing all worries, allowing you to focus serenely on your business.